Chiropractic seems to improve heart, brain, and blood sugar function. And lots of chiropractors talk about improving nervous system function. This is a well-researched and easy to see when dealing with pain and functions of the muscles and joints, but less clear when we're dealing with heart, blood sugar, and brain. As a board-certified chiropractic neurologist and being certified in functional medicine, I spent a great deal of time researching and treating neurological disorders from autism and Alzheimer's to migraines and traumatic brain injury. We'll talk more extensively later about brain therapies, but it's worth noting that Harvard recently completed a study using brain balancing exercises developed by my neurology teacher, Dr. Malello. The Harvard researchers found that specific sensory and motor exercises, like we use in our office, can restore brain function. In this case, it was restoring the ability to focus in kids with ADHD. I'll give you a link to the paper below. That study demonstrated that sensory exercises affect and can improve brain function. We also know that chiropractic adjustments provide very powerful sensory signals to the brain. The brain controls the autonomic or automatic nervous system. Heart and blood sugar control are part of the autonomic nervous system. But can chiropractic affect heart and blood sugar control? Before I answer that question, let's look at how the spinal structure with muscle and joint imbalances might interfere with your autonomic nervous system. A 2020 research study identified that people with a forward head posture have abnormal autonomic nervous system function and disturbances of nerve signal control from the neck to the brain and back. I'll give you a link to that study below. Also, a small study showed that chiropractic adjustments certainly do immediately change autonomic nervous system function and seem to even balance the nervous system function. I'll provide that study link below as well. Here's an example of one of my patients. A gentleman came in for mid-back pain. It turns out that he also had high blood sugar. I treated his spine and his pain got dramatically better. In the re-exam consultation 3 months later, he said his back pain was almost all better and that his blood sugar had dropped 20 points, even though he'd not changed his diet or exercise. So there still needs to be more research, but there appears to be no doubt that chiropractic affects the autonomic nervous system and, when done appropriately, it improves brain function and likely helps autonomic nervous system function, including heart and blood sugar. So that's all for today. Next time, I'll tell you the best diet for your heart, brain, and blood sugar function. This is Dr. Hobbs signing off from Synergy Chiropractic and Natural Health. You can also visit us at viceusynergy.com. May God bless you and have a wonderful day.